Right, so I'm just going to try this project again, a little different this time. I found these two clay pots. So I have, there is a bolt with a washer, and then inside of this I have another washer, and then with a bolt, and then another bolt and that. So it's all lined up as they show you how to do it on YouTube and those other adverts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that there, and I made a kind of homemade candle out of a larger bottle. So the height is similar to the candle, right? And then I'm going to test it out now. I'll see how hot it gets, you know, as time goes on. And we'll just look at this together. All right. So I'll give it a few minutes and then we'll see how hot this gets. Here we are at the moment. So you can see that's doing its job. Hopefully this actually heats up a bit more. It's only been like a couple minutes, but we'll see. All right, so it's been 10 minutes and this seems to be doing it now. The flame on it is, you can see it's quite a high flame, but you can also see that it is catching a lot of the heat. So that's looking good. You can see those bolts on top heated up. But let's just keep this on and see what happens. Right, so it's been 30 minutes. I am happy with that. So this seems to work. I mean, it's holding the heat. It's not heating a room, but it is holding the heat. You can see the temperatures on there. (210), it's all over the place, but it is hot. That's red hot up there. So yeah, it does work. So heat-wise, I can feel it about up to here. I can't. That's too hot to touch. The bricks are cool. That's fine. But that candle is quite hot. I feel it for a candle. I can feel the heat from about here. So that it is putting out some heat, and the reflection off the other ones is helping as well. But yeah, about here I can feel the heat. So yeah, interesting. But yeah, I didn't think I'd be doing this well, but it does. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Just another thing I'm throwing out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.